In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in WPS Office Docs Mobile. Using templates is one of the easiest ways to create professional-looking documents without starting from scratch. Templates save time, help with proper formatting, and give your document a clean structure right from the beginning. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process of finding, opening, and editing templates so you can confidently use them for your own work. Once you open the WPS Office app on your mobile device, look for the plus symbol on the screen. Click on this plus symbol to begin creating a new file. After clicking it, you will see an option to open a document. Click on the Document option, and this will take you to the Templates section. Here, you will find a wide variety of ready-made templates designed for different purposes. As you browse through this section, you will notice templates for education, invitation letters, posters, business documents, business cards, and many other categories. Each template is designed to match a specific use case, making it easier to choose one that fits your needs. For example, if you want to work on a business-related document, you can look for a business template and click on it to preview the layout. When you click on a template, you may need an internet connection so the template can be loaded properly. Once connected, you can also scroll down to see similar templates suggested at the bottom of the screen. This makes it easy to compare designs and choose the one that works best for you. You are free to explore and select any template that matches your purpose. If you decide to use a specific template, such as an invoice template, click on it and then click the Use Now option. At this point, you will be asked to sign into your account if you are not already signed in. Once your account is signed in, the template will begin loading from the internet. After it finishes loading, the template will open directly in the editor. Now that the template is open, you can easily edit the text, adjust details, and customize the content to match your needs. You can replace placeholder text, update information, and make small changes while keeping the overall design intact. Once you are done editing, you can save the file as a regular document and continue using it just like any other file in WPS Office. That is how you can quickly and easily use templates in WPS Office documents on mobile to create polished and professional files. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.